Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver, and just now I got the breaking news about the IPM Rohtak 2020 which is about to happen on 21st of May. So as I was keep on saying in earlier videos and in my live session also that IPM exam can be happen online, and finally they have made it online. So exam will be from home guys. So all the students today morning got the mail from IIM Rohtak about their online exam which will be from home on 21st of May. So first online exam was the Christ, after then NPAT, and now finally IIM Rohtak also decided to take the exam from home itself. So guys, those who were in the relax mode, that exam will be happening in the month of June, July, you need to wake up guys. So if you have prepared well for this exam, well and good, but if you have not yet prepared and wanted to boost up your score, so we have launched 7 days workshop which will be the live workshop based on the shortcut and the tricks. So this workshop will help you to maximize your score, and finally you will get selected in IIM Rohtak. So about this workshop I'll talk further guys. Before that, this is what the mail you must have got from the IIM Rohtak. The applicant will have the convenience to give the entrance exam from their home via internet based assessment system. Hence applicant will not be required to travel to any of the center for the entrance test. Please find the enclosed the IT requirement and the guidelines of the exam for your reference. You must ensure that you have all the required IT infrastructure available for the smooth conduct of the exam, and for the details they have given, kindly go through it guys. So this instruction they have given in terms of the attachment, so you must have got the 2 attachment from the IIM Indore mail, and also they will be taking some mock tests guys. Kindly go through all this data and you will get to know how they will be conducting basically exam. Before you write the actual IPMAT exam, there will be there will be demo mock test from IIM Rohtak itself, just to fix all the technical issues and you get familiar with the online exam mode. So this is what the attachment guys you must have got from IIM Rohtak. So just go through this instruction. Okay, please pause the video and go through all this instruction guys. And after then they have given in the last exam date, which is nothing but on 21st of May basically, and timing is nothing but 10 AM to 12 PM. This is what the timing. And another attachment is about the IT infrastructure requirement. So kindly go through all this software, what is software requirement basically. After then desktop or laptop you can use, webcam, etc. So kindly go through all this detail. So 21st of May is the date for the IPMAT Rohtak. So all those who are targeting for the IIM Rohtak, for them we have launched score booster workshop guys, which is nothing but the SmartCut learning to maximize your score. So this workshop is starting from 12th of May and this will be 7 days workshop. I can bet you guys after this workshop you will be confident enough about your selection. So couple of students already registered for this workshop before releasing this video guys. So if you are targeting for the Indore and the Rohtak, this workshop will surely help you a lot guys in terms of cracking your IPMAT exam, whether it is for Indore or the Rohtak. So those who want to join this workshop, kindly contact to this number and register yourself guys as soon as possible, because we have limited seat for this workshop. So this is what the timetable guys for this workshop. This workshop is starting from 12th of May. So first day will be the strategy part about the IPM Rohtak and the analytical logic, and number of questions from this area will be 5 to 7 marks. You will be learning all the approach. 13th of May verbal comprehension, approximate 15 questions from this area. Again you will be learning all the approach. 14th of May quant arithmetic, very dominating area, 13 to 15 questions from this area. All this shortcut you will be learning. 15th of May logic, traditional logic, 25 around questions, shortcut and the approach both you will be learning. May 16 quant data interpretation and sufficiency, 6 to 8 question, shortcut you will be learning. Quant 17th of May geometry and number system, number of questions which you can expect in the exam, 12 to 14 marks. You will be learning all the shortcuts. And last May 18 logic, critical logic, number of questions 5 to 6 will be coming in your IPM Rohtak, understanding and the approach. So I'm sure that you must have prepared for this exam. Your preparation must be going good, but if you want to maximize your score guys, and those who want to boost up their score, so after this workshop you will be confident enough about 80 to 19 question attempt, which is nothing but the 18 into 4, 320 marks. So if you are scoring 300 plus, you will be surely shortlisted for VAT and PI round for the IIM Rohtak. So this workshop gonna to be very fruitful workshop for your final selection in IIM. Next is you should do some homework guys before you join this workshop. You should know table from 1 to 20. You should know square from 1 to 30, and cube from 1 to 20, and fraction from 1 to 20. Fraction I mean to say 1 by 2 is 50%, 1 by 3 is 33.33%, 1 by 4 is 25% likewise. So all these fractions you should know till 1 by 20. One thing is very clear guys, next 10 days of your preparation will decide whether you will be in or out for the IIM Rohtak. And trust me guys, we are Indian, we prepare in the last only, and finally we cracked the exam with the good score. Now let me take you through the official website of Maneuver and how can you join this shortcut workshop. So guys, just open Google and type MANOEUVRE maneuveredu.com. Okay, this is what the website is, and just go to the page 1 home page. This is what the website will open. Then go to the buy online BBA entrance. In that, just go to the full course program, and after that scroll down. In the last you will find IPM Rohtak score booster workshop, which is nothing for the 7 days. So from here you just have to do add to cart and complete and fill your details and complete the payment part, and after then your registration process will get completed and you will get the call back from our counselor. Further details will be guided you. So as we were thinking कि अभी टाइम मिल गया प्रिपेयर करने के लिए IPM के एग्जाम को लेकर के, बट वैसा नहीं है गाइस. 21st को फाइनली IIM Indore have decided to take the exam. So those who are feeling bored or feeling zero or feeling demotivated, I would say next 10 days work कर लो guys. I can bet you definitely you will end up with the IIM Rohtak. You just have to follow the guidelines which we will be giving you in the first day of the workshop, and you have to follow the same strategy. So this is the time to charge your battery guys to achieve your goal basically, which is nothing but the IIM. To join this score booster workshop, kindly contact to this number guys, 8828581455. This workshop is starting from 12th of May, so don't delay if you want your selection in IIM Rohtak. For any query and assistance, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you. All the very best for your preparation guys, and thank you.